Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I made my own shelf sitter. This little guy is mostly made out of Dollar Tree items except for the little beads. It was ready in almost no time, and I had a ball doing them. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a small pumpkin, a Dollar Tree scarecrow pick, some Dollar Tree ribbon that I cut two 10-inch pieces, some pumpkins on a stick, and I'm cutting the stick off. And your handy dandy glue gun. The first thing I'm going to do is pop the stem out of this. And I'm going to cut down the stick that the scarecrow's on. And I'm not sure how short I have to make it yet, but we'll see. Yeah, that worked out just fine. Now I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to put a thin layer of glue on either side, about halfway up on both sides. I'm going to fold that over, and that's going to make a little seam. Now repeat with the other one. Makes it a whole lot easier to use the ruler so I can see what I'm doing. And this now has a small opening. I'm going to try and pop that open and hold it open. Put a little bit of glue on the pumpkin stem. And slide that right in there. And I'll repeat on the other side. Oops, this one didn't hold. It helped if I put enough glue on it. And no glue on that one. And insert that in the end. And a little glue in there to help it lay flatter. Ooh, hot. I think I'd learned by now. And put some glue right here. And a little bit on this side. If that isn't the easiest project you've ever done, I don't know what is. And there he's just sitting away. And that's how you make your own shelf sitter. I don't like the way his bow's sitting, so I'm going to put a little glue here to get it to stay down. And I think it needs something here. Let me see what I got. I think I might use some berries. Oops. I don't like this one because it's got the white. I'll put a little bit of glue right in the middle of his leaf. And you could always do this with regular glue and let the kids do it. It'll just take longer to dry. That's starting to get some personality. I like that. I had some of these branches left over from last year. So I think I'm going to give them little arms. Because I just can't leave well enough alone. Besides that, I love the bling. I think that's too long. Cut off the long one. I like him. Okay, I thought he needed buttons. So I found a couple of orange beads. I'll put a little dot of glue here. And I'm going to use a pin to pick this up so that I don't get burnt. Because I've had just a little too much of being burnt today. And I think I'm going to call him done. There's the little shelf sitter. I made with leftovers from the Dollar Tree. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.